Hi Divination, this is Aless Design, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up your Divi Ecommerce Bunda child theme. We highly recommend to start with a freshly new installation of WordPress. Then we advise you to install the WooCommerce plugin to make all settings you need and to upload all products you're going to sell in your store. As you can see, we have uploaded few products just to have some content and divided them in different categories. Also, we have uploaded few posts just to show you how we have to set up the blog post pages. Okay? Now, when you are already done with this, you have to go to Appearance, Themes, and to upload your Divi theme. When you activate the Divi theme, you have to again come here, add new, and upload the zip file of the Bunda child theme. When you're ready with this, you have to upload few more settings to make sure that you can customize the Bunda child theme and to make it like the demo website. So, the first thing you have to do is to come here, where is the Divi, and go to Theme Options. And here on the icons, just click on them, click Import, choose File, and the zip file you have a folder called Import, and then you have to click on this one, Theme Options. Click Open and Import to Divi. This is the first step you have to do to make sure that all the important settings are uploaded to your theme. The next thing you have to do is to go to your theme builder, and again, as you can see, you have nothing here. Click on this one and click Import, select, and this time select this one, Divi Theme Builder Templates, click Open and Import. This is where the magic happens and all different templates are going to be uploaded. You can choose from to create your brand new WooCommerce store. It's a little bit longer, but it's okay, not more than a minute. Yes, we are ready. Now, as you can see, we have thousands of different templates, but we'll go through each of them. Okay, now we have uploaded the option, the builder. Now, go to the library. Oh, just a second, sorry. Click Save Changes. Now, go to the library. Here again, Import, choose File. Okay, and now here we'll have to wait about a minute again. Okay, we are almost ready. Okay. I'll have to wait a little bit just to... Okay, now we are ready. As you can see, we have designed so many different pages just to make everything easier for you. Okay, the last thing we have to import, go to Appearance, Customize, and this is the last one we are going to upload. Now go here, import, choose file, and here this file, click open and import. This is very fast actually, and don't forget the publish button. Okay, it's published, and as you can see, it's a little bit different. It doesn't look like the demo website, but it's okay, we'll figure it out. Here we have to assign our home page, but we don't have a home page actually. Okay, it's okay, we'll start making the pages. I have forgotten that I haven't created the page. Now, as you can see here, it's a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. We'll customize everything, we'll set it up, and it's going to look like the demo website. For now, leave it like this, don't worry, it's okay. So thank you, Divination. In the next video we are going to start step by step to customize every single page, so to make your website to look like the demo one and have a brand new WooCommerce web store. Thank you.